In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect and manage your social media in Constant Contact. Start by logging into your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look for the Social tab. In some versions of the dashboard, this may be visible right away in the main navigation. In other layouts, you may need to open the Tools menu to find it. The exact placement can vary slightly, so take a moment to look through the menu if you do not see it immediately. After you open the Social area, go to the Accounts tab or select the option that says Connect Account. This is where you link your social media profiles, so you can manage them directly from Constant Contact. If your account is not connected yet, this section is the starting point for setting that up. Make sure you are in the correct section before moving forward, since this is where your available social profiles will appear. Next, move to the top menu and click Create Social Post. In some dashboard layouts, you may reach the same page by going to Social and then selecting Create Social Post. Both paths take you to the post creation screen, so use whichever one appears in your version of the platform. Once you are on the post creation page, choose the specific social profiles where you want your content to be published. You will usually see a list of connected accounts with checkboxes next to them. Simply check the boxes for the profiles you want to use. This gives you control over where your post appears, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one platform or brand account. Now go to the Add Caption field and type your post copy. This is where you can write the main message you want your audience to see. Keep your wording clear and relevant to the post. You can also include emojis and relevant hashtags if they fit your content and audience. These can help make the post more engaging and easier to discover. But it is best to keep the caption readable and not overloaded. When everything looks right, click Post to publish your content. Before you do, take a quick final look at the selected profiles and the caption to make sure everything is accurate. A short review can help you avoid simple mistakes and make sure your message goes to the right places. That covers everything you need to know.